Ready to upgrade your home with a touch of tech? These Amazon smart home gadgets bring convenience, control, and comfort right to your fingertips. From lighting to security to everyday automation, your smarter home starts here. All the links are in the description below. Small space, big ironing solution. This clever tabletop ironing board folds neatly in half, making it easy to tuck away when not in use. It's got a built-in compartment that cradles your iron safely, so it's always right where you need it. A hanging hook lets you stash it on a wall or door. No more floor clutter or awkward storage. This board makes ironing fast, simple, and totally hassle-free. Snack bags always going stale? Not anymore. This mini bag sealer keeps your chips, cookies, and other treats fresh with just a quick slide. One end seals, the other cuts. No preheating, no fuss. It's small enough to fit in your hand, pocket, or even hang on the fridge thanks to the built-in magnet. Portable, powerful, and perfect for cutting down on food waste. Why juggle 3 appliances when one can do it all? This retro-style breakfast station combines a coffee maker, toaster oven, and non-stick griddle into a single, space-saving setup. Brew 6 cups of coffee, toast 4 slices, and fry up eggs and bacon, all at the same time. It's perfect for small kitchens, dorms, or RVs. With easy controls and classic charm, breakfast just got way more fun and way less chaotic. Fresh corn tastes amazing, but getting it off the cob, not so fun. This clever little gadget makes the job easy, fast, and oddly satisfying. Just twist and push, and it collects all the kernels without the mess. The blades stay hidden inside, so even kids can help out safely. It's compact, easy to clean, and makes fresh corn an everyday option. Short on counter space, but still needs somewhere for those clean dishes to land? This pull-out plate and bowl holder tucks neatly inside a cabinet or drawer and keeps everything organized and drip-free. It has 10 sturdy slots and a slide-out tray underneath that catches excess water. No mess, no fuss. Installation is tool-free thanks to adhesive nanofilm. A space-saving win for small kitchens and tidy minds. Who knew a light socket could do all this? This genius ceiling fan screws in like a bulb, but cools your room and lights it up, all in one. You get 3 fan speeds, 3 light settings, and even color options, all controlled by remote. Want just the fan? Just the light? No problem. It's perfect for bedrooms, workspaces, or anywhere you need more breeze and brightness. Balancing on one leg in the shower? No thanks. This foldable footrest gives you the perfect boost for shaving, scrubbing, or tying up those travel shoes. It sticks securely to smooth walls with a powerful vacuum suction. No drilling, no tools. Just press it, lock it, and you're good to go. Compact, portable, and way easier on your back and balance. Garlic lovers, rejoice! No more sticky fingers or stubborn cleanup. This clever garlic press doesn't just crush cloves with ease, it also wipes itself clean with a built-in trigger blade. One quick press, and your minced garlic is ready to go. No digging or scraping required. A hidden cleaning tool takes care of any trapped bits, and it tucks neatly into the handle when you're done. Quick, clean, and surprisingly satisfying to use. Meet the air fryer that thinks outside the basket. This 4-in-1 glass cooking system air fries, bakes, crisps, and reheats, all in sleek, non-toxic glass containers. Whether it's a solo lunch or a whole chicken dinner, it's ready in minutes with zero guesswork. The PowerPod delivers full-sized power, yet it's compact enough for any countertop. Bonus: the storage lids snap tight, so leftovers go straight from oven to fridge. No extra dishes needed. Some messes love to hide, but this brush finds them fast. With a slim, angled head and stiff bristles, it dives deep into grout lines, corners, window tracks, and other tight spots that larger tools miss. It's tough on grime, but easy on your hands, thanks to a comfy, non-slip handle. Hang it up when you're done. It barely takes any space. One small brush, a whole lot of cleaning power. Tired of digging around in dark cabinets? These tiny hinge lights turn on automatically the moment you open the door. Just clip one onto the hinge, and boom, instant brightness without flipping a switch. They're small, smart, and super easy to install in just minutes. Great for closets, cupboards, or wardrobes. No more flashlight fumbling, just open, grab, and go. Running out of space to hang your kitchen tools? This rotating hook rack sticks to smooth surfaces and holds your essentials right where you need them. No screws, no damage, just a strong suction cup that locks in place and swivels 360 degrees. 6 hooks spin smoothly so you can grab what you need fast. It's waterproof, reusable, and blends in with any kitchen or bathroom setup. Stuck jar lids are no match for this clever little helper. Mounted under your cabinet, it grips tight with hidden steel teeth, so all you do is twist. No strength, no strain. Works on jars big and small, and it's especially handy for seniors or anyone with wrist pain. It stays out of sight, but always ready. A simple tool that makes your kitchen way easier to love. Lighting that feels more like a game controller? Yes, please. This joystick-style lamp flips between 2 brightness levels with a simple push, soft for winding down, bright for reading or getting stuff done. It runs on a rechargeable battery, mounts to the wall or sits on a table, and charges by USB. Great for bedrooms, nurseries, or even camping. Fun to use, easy to love. Fresh juice. Wherever you are, no cord, no noise, no hassle. This portable electric juicer squeezes citrus and other fruits with one quiet press, separating pulp from juice in seconds. It charges via USB-C and fits easily into your bag, so you can juice on the go from road trips to work desks. Cleanup's easy with detachable parts and a handy brush. It's a tiny powerhouse for your daily dose of freshness. Tired of guessing what's in that mystery container? This pocket-sized label maker connects to your phone and prints custom stickers in seconds. No ink, no mess. Just pick a template, type what you need, and tap print. It handles everything from name tags and kitchen jars to school supplies and cords. Compact, rechargeable, and packed with fonts, icons, and fun frames. Organization just got a serious upgrade. Pet hair doesn't stand a chance. This compact lint roller is extra sticky, washable, and built to handle fur, crumbs, and random fuzz. No waste, no refills needed. Just rinse it under water, let it dry, and it's good as new. The ergonomic shape makes it comfy to hold, and it's small enough to toss in your bag or car. Clean clothes anytime, anywhere, without the mess. Scrubbing dishes just got a serious upgrade. This soap dispensing palm brush puts cleaning power right in the palm of your hand, literally. With a quick press, it releases just the right amount of soap, while the tough bristles tackle grime, grease, and baked-on mess. The grip feels natural and comfy, even during long washing sessions. And when it's time to refill, just twist and go. Peeling fruits and veggies doesn't have to make a mess. This smart little peeler has a built-in container that catches all the scraps as you go. No more chasing peels across the counter. The stainless steel blade stays sharp and rust-free, slicing through carrots, apples, or potatoes with ease. It's BPA-free, easy to rinse, and comes in a set of 2. Handy, clean, and ready for daily use. Dry your clothes without taking over your whole space. This foldable portable dryer is perfect for apartments, RVs, or quick laundry days when you've only got a few items. It uses warm air and a built-in UV light to dry and refresh clothes fast, sometimes in just 20 minutes. Quiet enough to run anytime, and the timer lets you walk away worry-free. Lightweight, compact, and way more efficient than air drying. Turn your shower into a full-body spa and a power washer in one. This handheld shower head boosts water pressure through tiny nozzles that deliver a strong, steady spray, perfect for tired muscles, messy pets, or rinsing down tiles. It's got 4 spray modes, a one-touch stop button, and built-in filtration that softens hard water to protect your skin and hair. Easy to install, fun to use, and seriously effective. This kitchen sink isn't just smart, it's downright genius. With a waterfall faucet, built-in cup washer, and a sleek control panel that feels more like a piano than plumbing, it turns dish duty into something almost enjoyable. The stainless steel body resists scratches and smudges, while the temperature display keeps things safe and steady. No batteries required. Spices everywhere and still can't find the paprika? This rotating spice carousel holds 12 of your go-to seasonings in one sleek, space-saving spot. Just twist the dial, and it dispenses a perfect 1/4 of a teaspoon. No measuring spoon needed. It stacks, spins, and even comes with 55 spice labels to keep things neat. Durable plastic means it's built to last, and it fits perfectly in cabinets or on countertops. Salt, sugar, spices. Finally, a stylish way to store them all. These clear glass containers keep everything fresh with airtight lids and built-in retractable spoons, so you never have to hunt for one. The wide mouths make scooping and cleaning super easy. They're perfect for everyday use, but pretty enough to leave on the counter. Organized, elegant, and ready for your favorite flavors. Strawberry prep just got way more fun and way less messy. This clever little tool removes stems with one quick press and twist, leaving the fruit perfectly intact. No knives, no wasted fruit, and no sore thumbs. It's safe enough for kids to use and works on other soft produce too, like tomatoes or mini peppers. Cute, compact, and dishwasher safe, it's a very good addition to your kitchen. Need tape, but only have one hand free? This clever dispenser's got you covered. Just press the lever, and it auto-feeds and cuts the tape. No batteries, no scissors, no hassle. The hidden blade stays safely out of reach, so even kids can use it. Perfect for wrapping, packing, or classroom crafts. Lightweight, portable, and way faster than fumbling with a roll. Picking out a tie shouldn't feel like rummaging through a drawer. This motorized tie rack rotates at the push of a button, giving you a smooth, organized view of up to 72 ties and 8 belts. It installs easily on rods or wire shelving, no tools needed, and even lights up with built-in LEDs, so you're never searching in the dark. It's sleek, compact, and makes mornings feel a little more put together. Wrinkled clothes on vacation? Not anymore. This foldable travel steamer heats up in seconds and smooths out shirts, pants, and dresses without needing a bulky ironing board. Just tap the smart LED display to switch modes and handle any fabric with ease. It's compact, lightweight, and even comes with a glove for safe steaming. Fits in your bag, fights wrinkles anywhere. Say goodbye to wilted veggies and stale snacks. This vacuum-sealed food storage set keeps your meals fresh up to 5 times longer than regular containers. Just press the button and the air is out. No hinges, no leaks, no mess. The vacuum sealer knows when to stop, locking in freshness automatically. Microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe. These containers are built to handle your week's worth of prep like a pro. One outlet just isn't enough these days. This ultra-thin wall extender gives you 3, without the bulky mess. It swivels 180 degrees, so you can angle it just right and keep everything flush against the wall. Perfect for travel or tight spaces where every inch counts. Lightweight, foldable, and ready to power all your must-haves in one sleek move.